Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating variables. Check call and media volume, and make sure Bluetooth or wired headphones aren't routing audio away. Once done, toggle the speaker button during a call to test hardware switching, and then force close and reopen the call app to clear software glitches. If permissions are missing, grant microphone and call access. This prevents apps from muting output. Do these steps now so you can determine whether the problem is hardware or software. This matters for the next, deeper troubleshooting phase. Now run controlled tests. Play a speaker test tone and record a short voice memo, because consistent silence suggests hardware failure while distortion suggests debris or driver issues. Next, reboot into safe mode or install an alternate dialer to see if third-party apps interfere with audio routing. Make sure system and app updates are installed. Outdated drivers can break speaker output. If software settings seem corrupted, reset app preferences. This often restores default audio behavior without deleting personal data, so it's low risk and high yield. Finish by addressing hardware. Power off and carefully clean the speaker grill with compressed air or a soft brush to remove debris that muffles sound. If cleaning doesn't work and software fixes failed, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep system corruption. Once reset, retest immediately. If the speaker still fails, schedule repair or use a Bluetooth/USB speaker as a temporary workaround. Troubleshooting tip. If audio returns intermittently, log when it happens, temperature, apps, or more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.